Home Business for Newbies, Getting Started Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down how to start your very first home business even if you have zero experience. Starting a business from home has never been more accessible than it is right now. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or wanting to build something that could eventually replace your day job, I'm going to walk you through the essentials in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Section 1. Finding your business idea. The first step is figuring out what business to start. The key is matching these three things: your skills and interests, market demand, low startup costs. Here's a quick way to generate ideas. First, make a list of your skills. These could be professional skills from your job, personal skills like cooking or organizing, or digital skills like social media management. Next, think about problems you can solve. The best businesses address real pain points people have. What frustrations do you hear friends and family talk about? What solutions do people need? Some low-cost home business ideas to consider: virtual assistant services, content creation, online tutoring, handmade products, dropshipping, print-on-demand merchandise, social media management. Remember, don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. You don't need the perfect idea, you need a good enough idea to start testing. Section 2. Setting up your business basics. Once you have your idea, you need to establish some business fundamentals. Business name: keep it simple, memorable, and make sure the domain name is available. Legal structure: most home businesses start as sole proprietorships because they're simple. As you grow, you might consider an LLC for additional protection. Separate finances. Open a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate from day one. This makes tax time so much easier. Basic online presence. At minimum, create a simple website. Platforms like Wix or Squarespace make this easy. A business email address. One primary social media account where your customers hang out. Don't worry about making everything perfect. You can improve as you go. Section 3. Starting with minimal investment. One of the biggest advantages of a home business is low startup costs. Here's how to keep expenses minimal. Use what you have. Start with the computer, phone, and internet you already own. Free and low-cost tools: Google Workspace for email and documents, Canva for basic design, Trello or Notion for organization, social media for marketing. Avoid common money traps. Expensive courses before you've validated your idea. High-end equipment before you need it. Paying for services you could do yourself initially. Remember, reinvest your early profits back into the business rather than spending too much upfront. Section 4. Finding your first customers. Now for the most important part: getting customers. Here's where to start. Tap your existing network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video at Home Business for Newbies.